Welcome to session 5. Good work there, because you have managed to maintain some consistency with your workout. And if you're doing session 5 on day 5 or even on day 10, brilliant work. But don't worry, if you've had some issues with time and if you're still doing this maybe twice a week, good work. Try and make it a little more regular to see better results. The 3 movements we will be doing today: skipping, focusing on adding cardiovascular endurance, your plank focusing on core strength, and knee up also building a little bit of endurance and also engaging a lot of that midsection. But before we start the main movements, let's get some warm-up. Your first warm-up movement is the arm rotation. Keep your arms nice and straight and rotate forward and reverse to the back. Let's do this together for 30 seconds. Keep those arms straight, elbows soft. Focus on your breathing. And reverse to the back. This movement is really going to open up those shoulders and prepare them for all the bigger movements to come. Almost there. And done. The second one is the chest rotation. Keep your feet wider than hip width apart, arms down or chest level, and move one side to the other. Let's do this together for 30 seconds. Go. Keep your lower body firm and only move your chest and torso from one side to the other. Deep breaths. Last 10 seconds. This one's really opening up the chest and stretching your abdomen muscle. And done. The third one is the hip rotation. Again, feet wider than hip width apart. We're going to do big rotations on one side and then the other. 30 seconds together. Let's go. Focus on your breathing. And nice big rotation. This one's really opening up those hip flexors. You can do it slow with nice big ones and reverse. Nice deep breaths, making your movement more efficient. And done. Now bring your feet closer, hip width apart, for our forward bend. All we do is go down, reach to the toes, and come back up. Keep your knees soft. 30 seconds together. Let's go. Deep inhalation and exhalation. Go down. Knees a little soft, but don't bend it too much. Hinge at the hips. Reach for the floor. This one's really opening up the hamstrings and the calf muscle. Almost done. And done. Our first movement is skipping. Feet together, arms to the side, and pretend like you have a rope in your hand, a skipping rope, and jump off the ground. You've done this in your previous session, so let's do this together for 30 seconds. And go. You'll never need to jump too high off the ground, but ensure you use those arms as you jump. 10 seconds. Keep moving. Come on. And done. The second one is the plank hold. Go right down on all fours, arms right beneath your shoulder. Now again, choose to keep your knee down or knee up and hips fully extended, head to toe in one straight line. Let's do this together for 30 seconds. Inhale and exhale. Very deep. Head to toe, one straight line. Don't drop your hips at any point or push it up to the ceiling. Last 10 seconds. Squeeze your abs. Almost there, come on. And done. Your third movement is knee up. This one too is something you have done in your previous session. Keep your feet comfortably apart, arms right here, and bring that knee up one at a time. Okay, let's do this together for 30 seconds. Up. You can choose to keep your arms just here at chest level, so you have a target for your knee, or to the side, or tucked right behind your head. Last 10 seconds, come on. Squeeze those abs and raise your knee up. And done. Now rest for 15 seconds before we move on to round 2. Walk around. Grab a sip of water if you want to. Keep moving. And done. Second round, first movement. Get ready to go back to school. 30 seconds together. Go. Deep inhalation and exhalation. Helps your movement get better. Helps your movement get more efficient. Come on. Off the ground. Last 10 seconds. Almost there. And done. Go right down to the plank. Knees down or off the ground. 30 seconds. Up. Squeeze those abs, squeeze your butt. Engage that midsection. This one's really a brilliant exercise to work on your abs. Last 10 seconds. You can do this every day and only see benefits. Come on. And done. Your third one is the knee up. Get ready. 30 seconds and up. Focus on the breathing. It only allows you to go on longer. Up. Up. Your arms here also keep your upper body really engaged and firm. Last 10 seconds. Come on. And done. Take a break for 15 seconds before round 3. Focus on the breathing. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. And done. Round 3, first movement. Are you set? 30 seconds. Let's go. Skip. This is round 3. Come on. Make this one count. Let's give it our all. Let's go non-stop. Push our limits. Last 10 seconds. Come on, come on, come on. And down to plank hold. 30 seconds. Go. You're doing brilliant. Come on. This one is your last round, so we don't give up. You can rest all you want after this. Hold strong. Last 10 seconds, come on. Hold this one for me. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Brilliant. Third movement, knee up. Are we ready? 30 seconds, go. Engage those abs. You're doing brilliant, come on. You get a long break after this, so give this movement your best. Last 10 seconds. Let's do this. Come on. Come on. And we are done. And now let's get set for some cool down. First up is your quad stretch. Really stretching that thigh muscle. Grab your ankle, bring it close to your butt and hold. Now we're gonna do this for 30 seconds. Let's go. If you're losing balance, grab a chair or a table or a wall. Hold for 15 seconds. Almost there. Hold and switch. Bring that heel very close to the butt. This way, your stretch is enhanced. Focus on breathing. And done. Your next one is for the hamstring and the calf muscle. Keep your feet hip width apart. Hinge at the hips. Go down and hold. Together for 30 seconds. Keep your knees soft, but do not bend them too much. Drop your head down. Reach your arms all the way down to the floor. Last 10 seconds. Hold. The lower you go, the bigger the stretch around the hamstring. And done. The next one is chest and back stretch. Now for the back, bring your arms in front and hold. Let's do this together for 15 seconds. Keep your knees soft. Look in front. Stretch that back. And now for chest stretch. Bring your arms back together if you can and open the chest. 15 seconds together. Look straight ahead. Open that chest as much as possible and hold. And change. And your last one is the neck stretch. Relax your neck and just pull to one side. Hold for 15 seconds. You must feel the stretch all the way from the ear down to the shoulder. And switch. Don't pull too much, just enough to feel the stretch. Breathe deep, and we are done. So how was that? Did you notice that the movements you did in session 5 today were also done in your previous session? What does that mean? Bigger range of motion. We keep repeating the movements to ensure you get it 100% and you add more range of motion, because bigger range of motion means more calorie burn. You are on the right track, doing absolutely great. You have finished 5 sessions of the beginner workout. You take care, and I will see you soon in session 6.